So currently in phase C buys, continuation phase. Price is just slowly hovering around the entry. Currently in, just nearly 1%. 1% gain at the moment, targeting the daily high up here. So I don't get into new trades while I'm in a current trade. So this is going to be a bit of a long one, depending if it reaches that far. I'm not moving to break even or anything until, we get into the 5% area. So yeah, there's not really that much analysis to do today as I'm in a trade. I'll just be each day updating whereabouts this trade is at the moment. But if we look at the daily time frame, we're aiming for this high here. Price has pulled down into areas of demand that we found on the 30-minute time frame, and then we're going to be looking to take out this high. Price could come down lower and hit this area here because that demand is unmitigated on the daily time frame. So we could come down to here, and then the only area I've got marked on the 30-minute is this one. So if this area fails, then we do have this demand here, but then this is the other demand within the daily. So I will be looking for buys here if this does fail, but we'll see what happens. We've got no other news events now, so just have to sit and wait and see what happens. Also that's the demand, the second one, which is still just below this one. But yeah, nothing we can do now but just let the trade run and see what happens. But yeah, that's it for this morning's daily analysis.